Hey traders, welcome to uGenesys, your number one source for Forex and crypto information. And today, I want to show you guys some profits that we made early on this month trading gold and the fundamental and technical analysis strategies that we used to make these profits. So on the 2nd of February, utilizing fundamental analysis based on the non-farm payroll news release, we traded gold and made a profit of $407.15 USD. Additionally, on the 5th of February, we capitalized on the Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI news release, leveraging our strategies to secure a profit of $676.75 USD. And so now let me show you guys the technical analysis strategies that we used on our gold chart. So we used our uGenesys volume indicator, and let me just pull this section up to show you the strategy. So whenever these bars are above this golden line, then we know we have sufficient volume to take the trades. So whenever the bars are green, that indicates that we need to be taking buy orders. And whenever the bars are red, then that indicates we need to be taking sell orders. And also, whenever the price action is within these highlighted areas, then we know that's a great time to take the trades as well. And as you can see here on the 2nd of February, we were having a lot of volume in the market. Gold was really selling off, and you can see this reflected in the price action in this highlighted area. And also on the 5th of February, we also had a lot of volume in this section. And you can see the price action in this highlighted area going down as well. And so this is the strategy that we used with our uGenesys volume indicator. And we also used our market keys trade manager to calculate our lot sizes and manage our trades for us as well. And so as you can see, guys, by utilizing fundamental analysis along with technical analysis strategies using our amazing tools, you can increase your chances of getting very profitable trades. And so to get our uGenesys volume indicator as well as our market keys trade manager, you can click on the links in the description below. And also, if you would like to learn how to read the economic news and utilize fundamental analysis in your trading strategies, and if you're also interested in learning how to trade gold profitably, well, we have you covered, as we have created our Forex course, which is now available on Udemy. And in this comprehensive and very insightful course, we go in depth into these topics and much more. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to purchase our course and learn these game-changing strategies. And thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.